Hi, I'm Kathy with Mountain Maids, and I am here today to talk to you about our videos, and I would like to introduce my business partner, Molly.
Hi, I'm Molly with Mountain Maids, and we're so glad you're taking the time to watch these videos and listen to what our employees have to say about our company. We pride ourselves in offering a really great work environment where we have compassion for each other and our clients, high integrity, safety, fun. So if you're not fun, you can't work for us. And we always lead with love. So listen to what our employees say and come join our team.
I'm working at Mountain Maids because of the incredible support system it gives me.
Brittany, and I enjoy working for Mountain Maids because it's a fun environment. And
I'm Michaela, and I enjoy working at Mountain Maids because I have the freedom to grow here.
I'm Austin. I enjoy working at Mountain Maids because of all the people I get to work with. They're very nice and wonderful people.
I'm Gina, and I like working for Mountain Maids because of the team aspect and how we help each other at all of our cleans.
Clea, and I enjoy working at Mountain Maids because everyone is super nice, and I like decomposing on the rides in between cleans.
I'm Sarah, and I enjoy working at Mountain Maids because it's such a relaxed, chill environment, and all of my coworkers are amazing.
I'm Michelle, and I really enjoy working at Mountain Maids because all my awesome employees and because Kathy and Molly are very understanding. They're amazing bosses.
Hi, I'm Jessica. I'm a supervisor at Mountain Maids. I really enjoy working here because Kathy and Molly really care about us, and we're like a family. And that's, everyone's just, supportive and very, very close, and it makes it very, very comfortable and very nice to work here.
Hi, my name's Whitney. This is my first week at Mountain Maids. It's my first time in the cleaning industry. I have had one of the best weeks that I've had. I've had a lot of jobs and a lot of different career opportunities. One of my favorite things about here is everybody's like a big family. I love doing the work, love the clientele that we have, and I love the fact that I don't anticipate going home every day.